The living room area, very spacious, a very spacious kitchen area. You will be getting that very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. I am your virtual tour assistant Sunidhi Verma, and we are at the actual site of DB Lakwen Vishista, which is located in off Whitefield, Hoskote Road, Kadugodi, Baladur Main Road, Bengaluru for sample flat tour. So guys, as you can see, we are at the actual sales office area. You can see the land parcel as well and neighborhood as well here. And well, we will go a lot in details, but first, so we will discuss a lot in details. But first of all, let us discuss, let you guys know what actually Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom price rate. Unless other listing platforms, which if you gonna make an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting in lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer and you can book your dream home through Housey with developer. So guys, let's talk about the project overview of this project named as DB Lakwen Vishista. So it has spreaded across 2 acres of land with 5 stars, and if we talk about the variants, it has 1 still floor plus ground floor and plus 3 upper floors. It has 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So guys, if we talk about the connectivity of this particular project, you will be getting a Whitefield metro station which is only 3.1 kilometer away, a park mall space which is 2.3 kilometer away, and a Baladur main road which is only 350 meters away. So guys, if we talk about the amenity, it has total more than 10 plus luxurious amenities like cricket net, jogging track, kids play area, swimming pools and many more. So guys, let me take you to the sample flat tour of this project. So guys, I am standing at front of this 3 BHK apartment with dimension 1438 square feet. Let's have a look at it. Come. So as you can see, this is the living room area, very spacious, very big with the window ventilation over here. And let me take you to the common area. As you can see, this is the common area, very spacious, very big, and in front you can able to see the kitchen area as well. A very spacious kitchen area you will be getting, and with balcony which is attached directly to the kitchen area. As you can see, you will be getting also the washing area as well to the balcony, and a common balcony as well which is attached with the common area. As you can see, this is the running balcony area with perfect view. As you can see, very spacious. And let me take you to the common washing area. As you can see, this is the common washing area, wall to wall vitrified tiles and perfect bathroom fittings as well. And let me take you to the first room of this 3 BHK apartment. As you can see, a first room of this 3 BHK apartment with window ventilation over here. And guys, let me take you to the second room of this 3 BHK apartment. As you can see, this is the second room, very spacious second room. As you can say, as the guest room as well, you can say, and a perfect window sunlight ventilation area you will be getting over here. So guys, let's have a look at the master bedroom of this 3 BHK apartment. But apart from that, let's talk about what Housey actually does for us. So in Housey, you will be getting actual tour location, you will be getting actual sample flat tour Also, you will be getting all inclusive prices with EMI and down payments as well. And also, Housey gives you 360-degree world tour project tour as well. And after all of this, if you like the project, within a 3 simple clicks, you can book your. Now have a look at the master bedroom. Come. So here you can able to see that very spacious master bedroom you will be getting. A very spacious room you will be getting. You can put your king size bed and a perfect sunlight window ventilation you will be getting, and with the attached bathroom also you will be getting. As you can see, very beautiful spacious bathroom with wall to wall vitrified tiles and all the bathroom fittings as well. So guys, this was the 3 BHK flat tour by DB Lucknow in Wichita. And if you wanted to book your free site visit, just go and register yourself through housey.com. And if you like this project, you can download their e-brochures, which you will be provided in the link which is mentioned below. And after all of this, I am your virtual tour assistant Sunidhi Verma. Will be right back again with another luxurious home tour experience. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, subscribe to Housey and for more great luxurious updates.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.